Hello and welcome friends, how are you all? Hope all are fine. Guys, in this video of today I will show you this viral piano reel editing. If you want to edit this trend, keep watching this video and let's start. So guys, first install the VN application to edit this video. VN app easily find on Play Store. When you open this application, you will get interface like this. Now guys, let's know about how many photos you need to edit this video. So to edit this clip, you need one video clip, which is piano video clip, and then 20 photos of yourself. There's piano video clip given on my Telegram channel. So guys, to import the video and photos, click on the plus icon and click the new project option. Now select that downloaded piano video and 20 photos of yourself from your phone library. Okay, now you have to forward from here. Okay guys, you have to take video clip like this and 20 photos like this. Now first you delete the VN default clip from here and select the ratio of 9.16. Now guys, you will add the music on here. Music link given on my Telegram channel and Telegram link is given on the description. And guys, you have to download reel video for music. After that we will extract the music from that reel. So guys, to extract the music, click on the plus icon and music option. Now you have to click the plus icon and here you will get extract from video option. Click on here and select the downloaded reel video. Now you have to click on the OK option and then have to click the choose option. Now click the music beats option and here you will put the beat marks according to music. So guys, play the music on here and put the beat marks by clicking on here. So guys, I put the beat mark, you can see, because I can't listen music to you due to copyright issues. Okay. So guys, you have seen how to put the beat marks. Now you have to done from here and have to done from here. Okay, in this way music will be added with beat marks. Now we have to trim our photos according to beat marks. So I increase the photos using my pinch. Okay, and now we have to trim the photos. Okay guys, if you are not able to edit the beat marks, then don't worry because after trimming I will tell you the all photos durations. Okay. Okay guys, you have seen how to trim your photos. If you don't understand how to add the beat marks, then you can note the photos durations. So guys, your video clip duration should be 4.68 second and other 20 photo duration should be 0.20 second. Okay guys, duration is very simple because you have to take same duration of all photos. Now guys, our video is ready to save. Now you can save this video. Click on the export from top right corner and have to done from here. Okay, now guys, you have to click on the save to album option and your video will be saved. So guys, how you like this video? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want viral reels editing videos. So guys, see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.